Father. It's you that must teach me to trust in your providence, loving Lord. Yours for others, I put my faith in you, O Lord, and I ask that you grant me acceptance of your plan, O Lord.